can tell from my voice, I am a little bit sick, but I decided to film this video because I think it's just an update on Adeland, and just we have two guests here, which is Precious and Genesee. So hope you guys enjoy. So Precious, what are you wearing? Okay, well, Precious is wearing a long sleeve shirt. It gives the illusion of a tee in long sleeve, but it's actually attached. And it says that girls are just better. And she has on a loose jean with some tennis shoes and Hello Kitty socks. Turn around. And has, oops, no pockets in the back. And that's Precious. Okay, so this is Genesee, and she has on a, I don't know how to explain this, but it's just, she's very shy. It's a long sleeve shirt with really nice ruffles, and it has some rhinestone diamonds in the front, and she has on a navy pants and flats with pink socks. She has on a little biddy and a long, how would you call this? A trench coat from Gap and tights with some white flats. And she also has a t-shirt inside. So that's her outfit of the day. We also have another guest. Hi, Leslie! And she has on a super cute scarf with a knit sweater, purple dress, and black stockings and a black boot. Here's the three little guests with an update Adeland, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, so there goes Precious and Lovely. Hi, Lovely. Oh, she's kind of scared of the height. And then there's Adeland. Hi, Adeland. Oh my gosh, she jumped. I'm a bad babysitter. And then there's Genesee. Okay, I gotta go help the kids now.